Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. Good. We have a mission. Moby and Boomer have captured Purrcy. Purrcy? Oh, my starfish. What do we do? I'm gonna need all paws on deck to save him. So for this mission, I'll need Chase since he's in his Adventure City uniform and deluxe police cruiser. You'll knock them down. Chase is on the case. Alright, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Alright, we finally got you. What should we do with Moby? I told you that 100 times, Boomer! Well, for your information... Ow! Who did this? Why did you... Alright, you two. Let Purrcy go. Oh, I don't think so. Keep trying, Chase. Okay, Sky. Huh? Oh. Come on, Rocky. Let's get our boy. I'm with you, Coral. We did it. I know, we rescued the little cutie. Rocky and Coral are doing such a good job raising him. I couldn't agree more, Everest. You know, Rubble, we sure make a good team after we defeated Boomer when he started cheating in every event. I couldn't agree more, Roxy. Even when he ruined the show by cheating. I know. Let's say we do a monster truck race. Oh, Roxy, I'm with you. Okay, Rubble Poo, come on. Okay. Moby, Boomer, you're heading back to jail as punishment for kidnapping the adoptive son of Rocky and Coral. Oh, you're in for it now, Ling. Don't you call me that, Moby Dick. You're heading back to jail! Marshall, let's say we create a different Mighty Pub uniform with a crystal for you to activate. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I have extra crystals for you, Tracker, Ella, and Tuck. Okay. Come on, Tracker. Okay, Marshall. Good job, pups. Another perfect rescue. Ryder, is it okay if I keep wearing my Adventure City uniform in Adventure Bay? Of course, Chase. We're glad that you're okay, Purrcy. Thanks for saving me. Anytime. Rocky? Yes, Coral? Let's say we head to Publantis and hang out with the merpups. Purrcy might be able to hang... play with the baby merpups? Yes, because you, Zuma, and Sky have rescued one. Well, actually, Sky and Zuma rescued a baby merpup. I just rescued Zuma from a wrecked boat before changing back to a regular pup. Okay, Rocky. Let's head to Publantis. Come on, Purrcy. Okay. Well, Chase, sounds like you and I have a date to go to. Where do you want to go? I was thinking maybe We could head to the Adventure City dog parks. It sounds like a good idea, Chase. Because we saved it from being destroyed by Humdinger. Yeah, I agree. He wasn't even voted to be mayor. Okay, Chase. I'm gonna go get my copter. Okay, Sky. I'm gonna get my favorite police car. Okay, Chase. Let's go to Adventure City. I'm with you, Sky.